To secure your X account from hackers is pretty simple. First, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. With this selected, scroll down a bit until you locate settings and support and click on it. A drop-up menu will appear with two options, settings and privacy and help center. Proceed to tap on settings and privacy, and this will redirect you to an interface like this. First, make sure to tap on your account and then make sure you change your password. In order for you to change your password, it's pretty simple. Just tap on it and continue to enter your current password and then enter the new password and repeat it here again. After that, continue to tap on update password. After you've successfully done with this, then navigate back again until you locate security and account access. Then continue to tap on it. Under this is where the magic will happen. Proceed to tap on security. Then with this selected, make sure at any time your two-factor authentication is on, and by doing it, you'll be able to have another layer of security on your account. Just proceed to tap on two-factor authentication, and you can choose any option that you want, whether you want it via text message, authentication app, or security key. Whichever option best work for you, that's it. You are good to go. After that, you then navigate back again and make sure you have your ID verification done. And you can even toggle on password reset protection on and then pass keys. With all this, you will be able to protect your account from being hacked on X. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.